welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me once again. My name is Ida Francis and it's a pleasure to have you back on my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the onion, rice water, garlic and the rest of that and apply it on your hair. That will actually enhance a healthy hair growth. Okay, so after being natural for a year plus now and actually suffered from some of the hair problems such as shedding and excessive breaking, I think I am in a better position to tell you about things that you could actually use to enhance a healthy hair growth. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do find out time to subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That's where you always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please kindly drop them in the comment section down below. And if you have a private hair question to share with me, just send it to my Instagram. Okay, so I don't know how many of you have seen my previous videos. That's why I always recommend you do check my previous video. I actually made this onion, garlic, rice water and other essential ingredients. I'm going to be leaving the full video in the link in the description box down below. So in this video I'm just going to show you how I apply this stuff on my hair. Okay, so for easy application, I have here my spray bottle and I'm going to turn everything inside my spray bottle. That's why I always say that the spray bottle is a natural sister's best friend. Applying it on your hair, you're actually going to use your hand to massage the product into your hair follicles, because massaging it will enable it to like send blood circulation to your hair that will enhance hair growth. Grocery bag, and let this treatment stay for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna wash it off, then I'll continue with the second part of this hair growth treatment. Okay, so the second part of this treatment is this hair growth oil that I made. Please kindly check the video I'm going to be leaving in the link here out so that you will learn how to make this oil for your hair, and make sure you look for an applicator bottle like this. Okay, so basically what I have in this oil is shea butter, argan oil. Just go check that video out, it's just going to be helpful. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this directly on my scalp. On my scalp, I'm just going to massage it in. And voila, your hair is ready. I promise you, if you use this particular treatment consistently, your hair will definitely grow, and all your edges, the thinning, the shedding and all of that will definitely reduce. Okay, so like this video, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and the bell that's just right beside it so that you'll be notified anytime you hear content like this drops on this channel. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram and send me your private hair questions on Instagram. Until another time when I will come your way, my name is Ida Francis.